Hi, I'm Carl Stone, Industrial Design Director at Lucid Group. Lucid provides life-enhancing design for applications in healthcare, wellness and life safety markets. As well as design, Lucid manufactures and prototypes products in-house. Our manufacturing design capabilities are accredited to the International Medical Device Standard ISO 13485. We use our facilities to rapidly prototype new design ideas. This helps to bring multiple stakeholders together to review, test and refine new designs. We offer full production manufacturing of medical and medical standard devices, speeding up time to market and providing scalability. This helps companies reserve funding for innovation and business development activities. Every day, Lucid designed medical devices help more people access better care and more organizations deliver it. Collaboration with clinicians, carers and patients drives relevance in our design. Our state-of-the-art regulatory know-how helps to deliver FDA, CE and UK CA declared product. Get in touch with Lucid today and see how we can help turn your idea into reality.